Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.56 trillion. We're up 4.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board right now. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin did see a retracement yesterday of 6%, which took the entire markets down with it. And, since then, we have recovered very, very fast. So this goes to show the level of a bullish momentum there really is in the cryptocurrency markets, and very, very exciting times ahead indeed for the entire space as a whole. But today I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $1.79. It's up 9.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 6.9% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano currently ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at that top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $57.5 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $6.1 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, in just the last year alone, we're up 3,655%. In just the last 7 days, we're up 40.4%. So everything is starting to look very, very nice for Cardano. But now I want to share something with you guys, and that is 400,000 plus Cardanians on Reddit. So Cardano community posted this. We could be biased, but believe we have the best crypto community in the world. And we're just getting started. Thank you to all of you for sharing knowledge and answering any and all questions. And guys, this goes to show the level of interest there really is building up in Cardano and how big the community really is. At the rate we're going right now, and at the rate Cardano is really growing, I would not be surprised if Cardano were to reach 1 million Reddit users at the end of this year. So a huge milestone for Cardano, and I believe this is just the absolute beginning. So now guys, let's jump into the price analysis for Cardano. Just looking at the charts, guys, what I can say is just wow. Wow. That's all I can say right now. As you guys may know, as I have mentioned in my at the beginning of the video, I did say we did see a price pullback in Bitcoin, and which did cause the markets to fall down. And we saw Cardano go all the way down. Let's bring out the measuring tool real quick. We saw Cardano go all the way down to this level, $1.51. And the drop was around 15% drop, and we were bought back up very, very quickly. So before I get in deeper into the charts, I want to say, I know there's a lot of new money coming in the markets, and I want to share this price pullback with you guys. So if this is your first time landing on my video, I want to say, first of all, thank you for coming and watching my video. And also, guys, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency markets, if you do not know that. So if Bitcoin were to go down, the entire market goes down with it. And we do see this very, very constantly in the cryptocurrency markets. People tend to take profits, and we have no control over that at all. And that's why we see some price pullbacks like these wicks, and they do not occur for a very long time. They stay there for like a couple of seconds or even minutes, but we get bought back up very quickly. So the moral of the story is, you guys do not want to be shaken out during these kind of pullbacks, because the main goal of, if these are whale manipulated moves, the main goal of the whales are to manipulate the weak hands, and you do not want to be the weak hands. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience would be your #1 key to follow, and I cannot stress this enough. So now looking at the charts, guys, wow. So as you guys may know, the Bitcoin did go down. Obviously Cardano is no exception. It's going to go down with it, and we saw Cardano fall 15%. And as you guys may know, our crucial resistance that we had been trying to break for the longest time now plays a key support level for Cardano. And I did say if we were to fall down to that level, that would be a strong level of support, and I do not see us falling below that. So obviously we did see this price pullback for Bitcoin, and the majority of the markets had to follow Bitcoin and went down double digits. And we did see a Cardano having a fall, and it fell all the way down to $1.51. And you guys can see it did not even fall below to this $1.48 to the level of support. And there was a lot of buying pressure around this level, and we got bought back up very quickly, and the entire market is recovering very fast. And since this wick, guys, we are up 19.3%, and I believe that we are breaking out towards the upside, and we will see that $2 price movement that I have been saying we will see at this month, and that's still my target. All my eyes are on that $2 price point. Let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool right now to see a better picture for Cardano. So yeah, like that, this is where we are right now, guys. We are literally about to break out as I am making this video. We're about to see a newer all-time high, and we're currently only away 2.27 away from its all-time high. And I would not be surprised of us breaking out very, very soon in just the next couple minutes. And $2 is the next target. We're only 11.98% away from its all-time high. So very, very exciting times ahead indeed for Cardano, and we're finally breaking out. So this goes to show, guys, your patience really does reward you. And always have to have patience. During this accumulation zone, this long accumulation zone that we have been in for a long time, for like almost 3 months, we saw a lot of people shift away from Cardano. They lost their patience and just went away. And I'm pretty sure they are kicking themselves now. This goes to show, if you believe in the project and the vision, holding is your #1 key, guys. You have to hold, and your patience will be rewarded. Imagine the people that were selling back in when we were in the consolidation phase back early last year when we were around the 8 cents range. I'm sure they're kicking themselves right now. And what Cardano is solving, guys, and the direction it's heading, you guys know my stance. I believe Cardano is about to take over the crypto space in the next 3 to 5 years, as long as they keep on delivering what they are doing. And I'm very confident they will do just that. And the sky's the limit. I'm sure at the end of this year we will be looking at the prices at that $1.80, and we will be laughing at these prices, but only time will tell. I'm a huge believer on Cardano, and I believe this is just the absolute start. And I would not be surprised if we were to even hit $3 this month. I would not be surprised, because everything is looking very, very bullish, and on top of that, the entire crypto market is looking extremely bullish. And the momentum is really on the crypto side right now, the bullish momentum indeed. And I would not be surprised if we were to touch $3 this month as well. But right now, my eyes are all on this $2 level, and I would not be surprised if we break through this level in the next coming hours. I would not be surprised. But right now we are, I think, trying to break above, but I would not be surprised if we do get some sort of minor retracement at this level. But if the buying pressure is there, if the buying pressure is very strong, we're off through the races, and we're about to see some newer highs. And I believe we're going to be in the $2 range then. I do see some sort of retracement occur at the $2 range, but that would be normal. But all eyes on the $2 price point. But now, before I end this video, you guys know me, I always look at the bearish scenario as well, and the bearish scenario always does occur, guys. It always occurs, and we do see that happen. And these retracements always happen in the market, so we have to be prepared for that. If the money you have invested is too much for you to lose, always have some sort of stop losses in place, like in case these kind of pullbacks do happen and you do not want your profits to vanish. So always have some sort of price exit strategy in place. So the bearish scenario, let's look at that right now. I do not see that happening right now, but we always have to be prepared for that, as we just saw one just yesterday. So always have to keep that in mind. You guys know me, I always keep it 100% realistic. I'm not an ultra moon boy. I always look at both the scenarios, but as of now, the probability of the upside potential is way higher than the downside. But the downside potential can always occur, because this is cryptocurrencies. You never know when some big accounts with some huge amounts of Bitcoin can come and dump their Bitcoin on the markets, then obviously Cardano and in the entire market will go towards the downwards side. But right now I do not see that happening. But let's say Bitcoin were to see another price correction happen, then yes, we could go back down to this level. But this is a strong level of support, guys, for a strong level of support at around that $1.48. I do not see us falling below that. Only way I could see us falling below that would be if Bitcoin were to see a 15 to 20% flash crash, but I do not see that happening as of now. I believe we have already seen that flash crash that we needed to see when the markets were in the oversold territory. But now we are in the bullish territory right now, and we're about to see newer highs, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We're seeing newer highs after newer highs with a lot of currencies right now, and I believe there is still upwards potential before we do see some price movements like that. But we always have to be prepared for that. But I believe this would be a strong level of support for us. But if we're unable to hold that, 0.50 is a strong level of support also for Cardano. So that would be around that $1.26 range. So that is it for the update. A very everything is looking very nice, and I believe it's just a matter of time. I would not be surprised after I upload this video we are already above this price range and at a newer all-time high. So very exciting times indeed for the Cardano community, and the Cardano holders truly deserve this. You guys truly do deserve this, and I honestly believe this is the absolute beginning, but only time will tell what's exactly going to happen. But now on to the staking rewards, guys. We are seeing the top staked asset again. $39.8 billion worth of Cardano is being staked right now, and as time goes on and on, I believe this value is only going to get larger because a lot of people do believe in Cardano. A lot of people believe in Charles Hoskinson, and you guys know me personally. I believe Cardano really has a chance of taking over Ethereum in the next 3 to 5 years, considering what they are doing. And if they keep delivering it, I would not be surprised at all if they do take over Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum does have a huge market cap, and that is due to the fact that it has the first mover advantage. But as you guys know, I say if we're comparing tech by tech, Cardano is so much more superior than Ethereum in so many ways. Ethereum has the scalability issues. I do not see that going away. Even if ETH 2.0 were to come out, Cardano is way more superior tech-wise, and that's why we're seeing a lot of interest building up in other blockchains such as Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. And I believe this is just the absolute beginning. And also, if you guys don't know, Cardano's founder, who is Charles Hoskinson, was also a co-founder of Ethereum. So, he knows the things that Ethereum's not good at. He will make sure that does not happen with Cardano, and that's exactly why we're seeing so much interest building up in Cardano. And also, $40 billion worth of Cardano being staked is bullish on its own. That means there's less Cardano on the exchanges right now. So if we were to do the supply and demand rule, once the supply is very low, which means less coins on the exchange due to the fact that such a high amount is being staked, and when the demand kicks in, the FOMO really kicks in, the price is gonna skyrocket. Literally, it's gonna skyrocket, and that's exactly what I believe is going to happen. And I believe in the next coming months, we will be looking back at these prices and we will be laughing at that. But with that being said, guys, this is pure speculation. Only time will tell. And, always do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. I cannot stress this enough. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing so much support. It really does mean the world to me. And, keep supporting me. Road to 20,000 subscribers. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. Family comes first. And everything else absolutely comes later, guys. And I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.